So, hello guys, what's up? So, today we are gonna learn how to do Java. So, Java is a very famous, programming language all over the world. So, I will just tell some features of Java. So, some features of Java, or some it is a platform independent means programming language, because you can do in any platform like Windows, in Dock, in Mac. Like, it is not doesn't depend which platform you are. And it is portable. You can just means you can portable anywhere in any device. Next, it is like it is object oriented programming language, means it is depends on the objects that you do. Like, it is very good. And next, it is simple and very familiar. And also another thing, Java is compiled and interpreted together, means that makes it the most important thing. It is compiled and interpreted together. Now, to do Java, you will need means the software will do Java. For that, for beginners, I will definitely recommend you to BlueJ. So BlueJ is the means the developing software of Java, where you can write Java programs for beginners and do it. So some features of BlueJ are like it's a Windows-based platform. It's a Windows-based platform where the user can perform the task more conveniently. And also debugging is also done easily, because it indicates the errors at the bottom of the same window. So that makes it more means friendly and good. So also the syntax of the program which is written, it also supports JDK 1.3. Now you might ask, what is JDK? So JDK is the short form of Java Development Kit. So it is the kit where we get all the packages. Means it is a package which contains the classes. Now you might ask, what is this package and what is this class? So the package is means a group of classes, means what you can tell, like group of functions which you can do in Java. It's if you want to download BlueJ and Java Development Kit, because to run BlueJ and to do programs in it, you will need JDK, which is the Java Development Kit. So I will give the link in description on Google Drive. You can download it from there. And just let's see how you can make a program. So this I will show you the easiest program to make using Java today. It's very simple. So first of all, if you open BlueJ, it will tell you to create a new project and it will be fully blank for you. So I will just create a folder in my disk. You can create it anywhere you can create it. So I'll just create it in F drive and Java program. So I'll name it Java program 3, because I already have one named Java program. So I will create it just like that and close this window. Then we have this. Now if you open this, you can see here everything. Now let me show you how you can create a new class. Now you might ask, what is a class? So class is nothing but like the name of the program that you are doing. So like if you're doing a program to find the addition of two numbers, so you just have to what will give the name of the program. Like addition, you will give the name, or you can give sum, or you can give like add. But definitely you will not give it like subtraction or subtract. You will not give it there, because you are doing addition. So it's just different the name of the program. Like if someone's name is Anil, you will definitely not call him Samir. So like that. So for creating a new class, and don't click on this is not open for you. It will open, but it will not, you will not understand anything here. This is for the means this is a project which you are creating. Means it contains, like if you are creating any app or something like that, you can do it all the programs here. So this is not important for right now. So create a new class, you have to press Control N, or just right click and click new class, or most simple, just click on new class here. It will ask you for the class name and ask for class type. So first of all, for beginners, I will tell to just class type for class. The others are not important right now. So we'll give the class name addition. So addition is for addition, adding of two numbers. So I'll just click it. It is created here like a box. It is very good interface. So we'll just open this by double clicking. And you can see there's something already written here. So I'll just delete it because it is not important. I will not means you will definitely not understand anything from this. So now while you're writing a program, we have to always start with the name of the program. So the name of the program which I'm gonna give is addition, of course, because I already give it there. So it is not like that you have to write always the same thing, but you can write a different thing, but it will automatically change the before name. So to define the class name, you have to just write class here, like CLSS class, and then I have to write the name of the class. Like I have to write let's addition in GDITION. I write addition. So next, we create the class addition. This is the most important block. This is the block. Now you have to write what kind of a program is this. To write what kind of a program is this, you have to just give a curly bracket open, then you have to enter, and in another line we have to write public. So this is a public kind of a program. So you will not understand what is now public if you're watching the videos for the first time and not understand what is this public thing. So for now, you just memorize this line: public static. Oh, I wrote it wrong. The public static and void and main. So public static is the type of program that you are making, and void main is the like what I can tell it. Void main is the main program. Void main contains the main program. So this is a function, public static void main. So you just have to close this with double brackets. Yes. Remember, whenever you are writing a function, always close it with double brackets. Others close with like others like statements close with a colon. So now we have to open this block. So to open this block, we'll write the main program under this block. So for that, we again give this curly bracket, then we'll have to write the program. Now what we are doing here in the program, we are finding the means the addition of two numbers. So first of all, to find the addition of two numbers, we have to know what are the two numbers. So first of all, if there is a beginner, like the question tells you to let's take two numbers, like assign two numbers and find the addition. For that, you will give the numbers by yourself. So in Java there are many data types, like what kind of data I will assign the value. For that, I have many here. That the most least use, I guess, the byte, and not the most it has other purposes. Like byte is the most smallest, then it has short, then it has int just means integer, the short form of integer int. But do not write integer because it will not take it. You have to always write int in small. And Java is a case sensitive language, so you can't write the I capital. You have to always write it small, and always here also. Okay, the next what is there, it is the long is for the bigger data types. Means it is all at the int data types. Means if you take like numbers like 1 to like some like 1 million or more than, so like it take 1 2 3 4 like that, it is an integer. Now the next type of data types we have, it's like double and float. So these types of data types takes like double and float takes decimal values like 1.2, 1.3, 5.6, 7.9. It will take all its fractional values. Even if you want to write in like integer, you have to write in like 5, you have to write 5.0. You can't write 5, you have to write 5.0 if you want to write that. Next we have for letters like ABCD, or like like words, big words. For that, we have char, and we have string. Now char and string we are not using in this video, or now I am showing this today in this video, because these are of higher not use make in beginners don't use this command because it doesn't comes anywhere for the first time. But string is used for some cases, and char if for only is for ASCII codes. What is ASCII code? ASCII code is nothing but like if you see your keyboard, like every single button of your keyboard like has a ASCII code. Like A has a ASCII code of 65, capital A, and small a has a 6. I guess it has 91. Like I'm not really sure. I think it was near 91 or someone like that. But a capital A is 65. Also, every single key here is it has some ASCII code. It has from 1 to 100 and some, I guess, 20 something it was. So if in all the data type you can see it is of red color, because the Java program understands this is some, this means something to the Java compiler, so it is of red color. It doesn't mean it is wrong, it means it means something. You might think why the string is not of red color, because the string data types, it is of, means it has, if you read another thing with it, then only it will be of red color. For now, let's just add int, it do it int data type, because int is the most used data type. Int and double is the most commonly used. So today in this video I will use int because I'm doing addition. There are no like fractional values in addition unless you input some fractional values. For now I'll just do int. So we'll just write int here, then it's int. Now let's write int, and then we have to take a variable. Like I can take any variable, but I will take like a or b or c. You can also take your name like Anil or Samir. You can take anything. You can not take anything, but you can't take a Java reserved word. You can't take a Java reserved word because it means something to the Java compiler. Like if you write public here, it will not take it. Here is a list of Java reserved words. Yes. Also, another thing I forgot to tell you, that in the class name also you can just write anything, like I can give space here. Yes, if I give space, it will not take it. And if you really want to give space, like addition 1 addition 2, you can just do like this, give a underscore and let 1. That time it will take it, but you can't write this like space 1 or like that. Also, you can't write any Java reserved word like public. I can tell you like this. You can't take public. Now if you think why it is taking public, because addition and public together makes a different means name. If I write only public here, then it will not take it. Yes, I'll take it addition. Now we have to do let's assign the value to the int. So what type of variable will take? I will take a. Now you have to assign. Remember that in Java, assignment operator, like operators of many kinds. It can be minus, it can be plus, it can be division, it can be modulus, it can be many things. So int a, if you want to assign assignment, is operator to assignment is written by is equal to. Equals to is actually uh, assignment operator. It is not equals to, please remember, it is not equals to, is assignment operator, but it is written by equals to, by means if write equals to, show assignment operator. So to assign a number to a means we have to store the any value of a number inside a. So that if I write 30, if I write 30, now if we write 30, as you can see, and the value of 30 is stored. And always remember that in, like, whenever you assign something to a variable, always end the line with a colon. If you do not give colon, it will not be executed. Like as in here we have to give a double like brackets, but here you have to always give this colon. This is very important to always give a colon here. Remember that. And also you have to give a second variable, but many people do like they do not write it every time. This what they do, is like to show you, just give a comma and just write the next variable like b, and next they write c for the assigning the variable, and always they end it with a colon. Remember that, always end with a colon. So next what we are doing is we have to assign the value again, because we didn't assign here, so I'll just write a. But here we have to don't write int a int b every time. We have to just write a, and a equals to let's say 30 again, and I always end it with a colon. Now see, there is a, so the value of 30 is inside a. Now if we do a plus something, it means 30 plus something, but we will not write 30, we'll let a. Next we have to take b, because I have taken b there. You can take your name or anything, but I can not the reserved word. I can have to write b is equal to, let's say, 40. See, you can take any value here, like you can even take 1000, 10,000, but I don't think any use of taking such big numbers, because it has a limit, if you do multiplication, you will tell it has reached the limit of int. So don't do that, just take normal numbers like 30 and 40, let's say. Next we have to assign what is c. Now if you see here, it is I have three variables, so c is one of them. I have write a and b, so c is left in now. So what we will do is, what will c store in itself? So c will store in itself the value of a plus b. So like this, we got the value of a plus b. So we'll always write a plus b, because let me tell you, because a plus b means 30 plus 40. If you tell the question tells you to find the addition of two numbers, so two numbers are 30 and 40, and addition of them is just a plus b means 30 plus 40. But do not write a 30 plus 40, because means it is not wrong, but if it tells you like that, why will you write it? Like it doesn't make any sense. But like this, you have to assign three values, a 30 plus 40 is equal to a plus b. So this is very easy. Next, what you have to do, and always end with a semicolon. You have to do, you have to print the output. What is the addition? To print the output. What is the answer? For that you have to write again. What you can say, like, let's write a class like it is under the Java development JDK, right, which is system. So like this always starts with a system. Remember that system is a thousand of programs, but now we are using one of the things of one of means which contains one of the thousand things, which is a system dot out dot println. So this is the code which we are going to write while printing the output. So print the output, always remember you have to write system dot output, means we write the output as out, do not write output, write out dot println. Always write ln in the end of the print, because that means you are linear printing it. So always write println. So next, what you have to write the message. So let me tell you, it is a bit complicated for beginners, but it is easy. For to write the message, we have to just give the double inverted comma and just write the message what you want to, like what you want to give the message. So of course we will not write that, we'll write the addition of, let's say, of two number are, let's say, now this is the message, like the addition of two number are, then we have to print c. C means the addition of two numbers, means a plus b. So one number is a, another number is b. The addition of two number are c, means c means a plus b, and a plus b is equal to 30 plus 40. The addition of two numbers are, now this is the message. To end the message again, you have to close it with a double inverted commas like this. Then what you have to do is print c. To print c, you can just write c here, that will not work. To always print c means always write the message under the inverted commas, but when you are printing the output of a variable, so never write it inside it. It will just print, like if you write like the addition of two numbers are c, so in the inside the inverted commas, then it will just print like the addition of two number is c. So after that, easier, not hard. Just print it like addition of two number is c. Do not print the answer. To print the answer, you have to just give a plus and then c. Now there is one thing many people confuse in themselves, that why are we giving a plus here? The thing is like that, it is not for like if you give a minus here, it will wrong, it will not take it. I will show you that how. It is not like if you do a subtraction you will give minus here. You have to always give it a plus whenever you are writing a message, and then you are giving the variable, always write like that. But whenever like you are Now, as you can see, we have written this, and always remember, do not give a minus. Always give it a plus, because always have writing a message. After writing a message, if you write a variable, always give a plus. Do not give a minus or anything else symbol, because it will not take it and it will not be executed. So it will show error. So now we have written our message. So we have to display this message. So we have to close this with the brackets, and always give a semicolon. Do not forget to give a semicolon. Very important. um, so this is our output statement. System to order println. The addition of two number is plus c. Plus c means that we have to print the output of what the value of c is. So next we have to just close. Our program is done. So this was the main code of our program. So to close the program, we just have to end the curly brackets. Otherwise, the first you have to end the curly bracket or publish static void main this curly bracket. So we'll close it like this, and the next curly bracket, which is the class curly bracket, we'll just end it again by giving another curly bracket. So this is our program. We have made it, and it's a very simple program, very basic. So we have done this program now. Now let me tell you that for this video, this was this much. In the next video, I will show you how you can make a parameter input and other types of codes. So I will show that. And for today, yeah, this is it. Let me just end the video by showing you the output of this program. So to see the output, first you need to compile the program. It will show class compiled, no syntax error. That means there are no syntax errors in this program and the program is correct. But remember, there can be like logical error or runtime error which will not be shown here, that you have to see for yourself. And next we'll just close this. As you can see, this is our tab where we are doing where we made the program. Now to see the output, just right click on this box and then click on void main. As you told you before also, void main is the main part of the program. To see the output, you need to click on void main. So I'll just click on void main, and as you can see, it shows this window, BlueJ terminal window, Java program. So this is the code. This is the output. The addition of two numbers is 70. This is the output. And also remember that when you're downloading BlueJ, I guess this option will not be enabled. So please check this option, clear screen and method call. So please check this option because it's important. Otherwise, you will get the same output every time. So please check this. Also, I have made this output. Right, time to number 70. So this was the output of the program, and this was the program. The very easy program, the basic. So if you like my video, so please like the video in YouTube. And then please subscribe my channel, because it will appreciate me to create more videos. And for today enough. So in the next video we'll just learn how to create parameter input, which is very good because the user can input the values here. Literally, as I told you, let me show you. Like as you see, when I do void main, see the user output means user input their own values here. So I will show you how to do that. And this for now, this is it, and goodbye.